Everglades Boats is one of the top premium fishing boat brands in the saltwater market, and that reputation is built on three things: sophisticated in-house cradle-to-grave engineering, the patented ram cap process by which every hull is made, and one of the most sophisticated modular assembly processes in the boating industry. Take a look now at what ram cap is. Other unsinkable hull manufacturers inject low-density foam into blind cavities. Not Everglades. They make high-density foam modules perfectly designed to fit to their cavity in the hull. Now, the casting process is so secret they wouldn't let us film it, but each log is sandblasted so it adheres to the surface. Now, part of the magic is in the foam itself, and I've got a little science project for you, so follow me. Now, this is an example of the low-density foam that's injection molded into some boats. This is the high-density foam that Everglades makes its modules out of. So which do you think will better stand up to the rigors of offshore fishing? Now, there's some other great advantages to the ram cap design. For instance, military-grade fuel tanks perfectly fit the cavities that they're designed for and are protected from the weather. And because of the construction technique, easy access to the bilge lets it be polished and finished out for a great shine. Now, the process for building every new Everglades begins here. This is industrial designer Joe Flota and the head of new products. First, every boat is CAD engineered using processes that prove that working dimensions are correct and that all parts fit before they're molded. Key parts are modeled in scale to prove they're ergonomically workable in the finished boat.
It's unique for a boat company the size of Everglades to have an industrial designer and a product development team. We pull it off by pulling members from other departments to make that team. I start with the product with the initial concept through the R&D shop where we do tooling and mock-up models, through the metal shop where we do fabrication, custom assemblies, and up through assembly as the prototype is being built and as it goes out the door to a finished product.
Careful attention to design features inspired by the many hardcore anglers and boaters like Rob Daugherty and Joe Flota ensure that each ram cap build has custom quality and that quality continues through the entire assembly process. Custom wire harnesses are loomed especially for each model. They're made durable by using fully tinned wire and complete chafe protection from terminal to terminal. Deutsch connectors make watertight connections and allow for easy maintenance in the future. Everglades is one of the few companies to have their own metal fabrication shop. They make their own T-tops and leaning posts and other parts for their boats. Modular construction is the hallmark of Everglades assembly. All the electrical, plumbing, hardware, and stereo speakers are installed and secured on the cap before it's dropped onto the hull and bonded in place. Every console is fully assembled before it's dropped into the boat. So that includes everything like the stereo speakers, all engine instrumentation, electronics, even the outriggers, and the overhead life jacket storage, pre-installed. And if your boat is equipped with it, the hydraulic windshield is all set to drop in place in one complete unit. Careful etching and chemical treatment ensures a bulletproof finish on each part. The result is durable, glossy, cool hardware like this. Now, I'm with Rob Daugherty. He's the Vice President of Operations at Everglades Boats, and this is your new 435 Flagship. It's awesome, Rob.
Yes, this is our 435. This is the culmination of all the things you've seen on the video through all the different departments, through engineering, assembly, finishing, and a weld shop. We're real proud of this boat. The employees take a lot of pride in what they do. And, my father says that this is their boat, and, they built it. They should be real proud of it. We can't wait to show it in Fort Lauderdale.
Now, Everglades has great systems in place, but they don't just trust those systems. They test them on every boat. That is one of the most sophisticated modular assembly processes I've seen, Brian.
We ask our customers to invest in their sport. We know they expect us to invest just as heavily. Our boats are designed to be the safest, most durable, and fishable on the market today. Everglades takes full ownership of everything from the drawing of the first line to the testing of each boat in our tank. Our patented construction process and techniques are designed to make sure that every Everglades boat is ready not just for the test tank, but for the safety and enjoyment of your family.
In boating, water comes at you from every direction, and this Everglades and everyone after it is ready for action. I'm Randy Vance at the Everglades Boat Factory in Edgewater, Florida.